Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show y'all what we're doing on our project on our deck. We've got our rocks finally put down that we wanted to put down the stones. We changed out from those stones to these. I'm not sure what the sizes are. So we noticed that our deck was sinking in one corner, and we had to rip up all of the decking boards, and he's going to basically tear out this whole entire corner. It's going to have to be torn out. But anyways, we went ahead and took out all of the decking boards that needs to be taken out, and then we're going to go to Lowe's and get some replacement boards, and I will show y'all later. Hopefully maybe I can get y'all into Lowe's, because I get kind of weirded out videoing inside stores, so I don't want people thinking I'm crazy. But that is what we're going to be doing, and it's not going to be done all in one day, because he's having to let the concrete set in these posts that he had put in right here. And yeah, I'll see y'all in a little bit. This is what we're getting. He's got some 2x4s and a 4x4 post, and actually, yeah, that's a 4x4 by 6 foot post. Decking boards is what that is, and we're gonna have to get this 16 footer on the back of the truck. That's gonna be interesting. Also, a bag of concrete and a bucket. I love coming to Lowe's. This is like one of my favorite places, besides like any kind of like camping store. I love to come to hardware stores, but I like this because I can replace my sewing table, and I'm thinking about making my own instead of buying a new room, my sewing room, and just putting my own legs on it and paint it. And it's $19, and then there's this other one for $12.82. So yep. So this is what I'm doing today, hanging out in Lowe's, one of my favorite places. And what are y'all doing today? Hopefully having a great day. Now it's time to unload the truck. Letting our deck boards dry out in the sun. Spray painted my arch black today. So that's another thing that I did, besides us working on the deck. And so got that checked off the list. Got that done. My green beans are doing good. Hopefully today or tomorrow I'll get my poles in so that they can start growing up on there, on my strings that I put off of those. And this week I'm going to try to burn that pile off. So we've been busy today. And these boards are the ones that we took up, and I'm going to take all the nails out of them, and these are the ones that I'm going to be using. Probably, I'm thinking I'm going to use those on the inside of my chicken coop, because right now it doesn't really have a wall. It has just pallets is all I have in there. And to be honest, the pallets have been doing really well. I haven't had to put a lot in with my chickens, and I've had chickens for 5 years now, and but I'm thinking I want to make it look a little more prettier, I guess you'd say. So I'm thinking I was going to just reuse those inside my chicken coop. And also I mentioned a new project that I wanted to do for my chicken coop. I want to have a front like a closed-in screen. Not really using screen, but I want to use the hardwire on it and close it in like that, and it would be kind of like a closed-in screen porch for my chickens to get out in until I get my chicken run put up for them, because I don't have a chicken run. I usually just put them in a dog kennel and move them around in my yard. And so but today I'm going to spend the rest of the day taking these nails out of this, and my strawberries, I wanted to show, my strawberries are starting to come up. Hey y'all. But anyways, I wanted to add, because I was doing my deck video and I was editing it and I forgot to say bye y'all. And but anyways, I hope y'all have a great day, and like, subscribe. Bye y'all.